The Achilles Desert Hawk UHP is a high-performance SUV tire that delivers premium performance at a very economical price. Now, the directional tread design, paired with a solid center rib, provides stability and traction in both wet and dry conditions. The double-wide circumferential grooves quickly channel water away from the tire to reduce hydroplaning. The angle grooves move air to the outside of the tire to aid in heat reduction, and the high disperse silica compound reduces rolling resistance, helping to lower fuel consumption while also providing excellent grip on the road. Rim guard protection aids in preventing damage to your wheels. The Achilles Desert Hawk UHP delivers touring tire comfort, premium traction, and modern styling, all at an economical price. You won't find a better value paired with performance and a high-performance tire than the Achilles Desert Hawk UHP. Head to tires-easy.com today to find great selection on all high-performance tires. With the best prices online, fast shipping, and our 45-day guarantee, you can shop with confidence. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Tires Easy channel and give the video a like, a comment, or a share. We'd appreciate it.